Walmart keeps becoming an even bigger force in grocery. Several C-store chains are investing in an e-commerce software company, and the CEO of Ahold Delhaize's U.S. operations is retiring. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top headlines from CSP Daily News and Winsight Grocery Business. I'm Heather Lally, Editor-in-Chief of WGB.
And I'm CSP's Editor-in-Chief, Steve Holtz. Walmart continued to assert its grocery dominance during the third quarter, gaining market share in food and beverage and seeing growing interest from higher income shoppers, the retailer announced Tuesday. Walmart's same-store sales increased 8.2% during the period, but grocery sales saw growth in the mid-teens. The retailer also reported year-over-year growth in food units sold after a slight decline in the previous quarter. The strong performance prompted Walmart to raise its guidance for 2023.
Convenience store chains Wesco, Hutch's, and Fave Trip led a fundraising round for Vroom Delivery, a provider of proprietary e-commerce software for the C-store industry. The companies did not disclose the amounts of the investments. The new capital will allow Vroom to accelerate its growth and continue to invest in new feature and automation development, as well as to enhance the company's onboarding and account management programs. The company has partnered with chains representing thousands of stores in nearly 40 states.
The CEO of grocer Ahold Delhaize USA is retiring and stepping down from the grocery company's management board, the Dutch retailer announced Tuesday. Kevin Holt will retire when his term expires at the annual shareholder meeting on April 12. Ahold Delhaize will nominate J.J. Fleeman as a member of the Ahold Delhaize Management Board and CEO of the American subsidiary at its annual meeting.
Walmart on Tuesday said it would pay $3.1 billion as part of a nationwide opioid lawsuit settlement agreement. The money will provide, quote, significant aid to communities around the country as they fight against the opioid epidemic, the Bentonville, Arkansas-based retail giant said in a statement. Reaching the settlement, Walmart noted, is not an admission of guilt for its role in the nationwide spread of the addictive drugs.
Convenience retailer Come & Go is bringing Upside's consumer technology approach to driving store traffic to more than 200 of its convenience stores. Upside identifies nearby users, driving them to participating locations through its mobile app and encouraging them to take advantage of personalized cashback offers. Des Moines-based Come & Go operates 409 convenience stores in 11 Midwestern states.
As he readies for the new year, CSP's Mitch Morrison is optimistic that Santa Claus will bring a stronger economy for 2023. In a new editorial, Morrison acknowledges that a recession is still possible, but says if it comes, it will be brief and ultimately help calm waters made choppy by the pandemic and its wake. His latest opinion piece is available on CSPDailyNews.com.
Just in time for Thanksgiving, Love's Travel Stops and Chester's Chicken are bringing back Truckers Giving to show appreciation for the work of professional drivers. On November 17th, Chester's and Love's will honor truck drivers with a free super snack meal to the first 100 customers at each Chester's location in a Love's Travel Center. Also, the first 20 truck drivers who show their commercial driver's license at each location will receive a custom Chester's trucker hat.
Sunbury, Pennsylvania-based grocer Weiss Markets has promoted Maria Rizzo to Vice President of Advertising and Marketing. Rizzo assumes her new position following the retirement of Ron Bonacci, who is retiring at the end of the year. Rizzo will oversee management of the company's advertising, marketing, and public community relations activities. Rizzo, who joined the retailer in 2006, worked as category manager and senior manager of private brands and specialty foods before becoming director of marketing in 2015.
And from the snacking file, latching on to a trend in miniature snacks, General Mills is turning 3 of its popular breakfast cereals into snacking mini treats. The launch will include resized and reshaped versions of Trix, Reese's Puffs, and Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereals packaged for snacking convenience. Minis will be available at retailers nationwide this fall for a suggested $3.99 in full-sized boxes.
We are still looking for an official snack sponsor of this podcast, though the crunching might be a little loud. And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News or WinsightGroceryBusiness.com. I'm Heather Lally.
And I'm Steve Holtz. Have a great day.